If the R1 is a scalpel for professionals, then the Yamaha R7 is the katana for everyday warriors. Welcome to a supersport machine that brings R-Series DNA to the real world. Agile, torquey, and ready to carve through corners with confidence. The Yamaha R7 isn't just another mid-weight. It's a focused, purpose-built machine designed for riders who want that aggressive R-Series styling and handling, without going all in on race-only performance or price. Built around the acclaimed 689 cubic centimeter CP2 engine, the same parallel twin found in the MT7, the R7 delivers 73.4 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 67 Newton meters of torque at just 6,500 RPM. But this isn't just about power, it's about how that torque is delivered. The 270-degree crankshaft gives the R7 a character-rich, uneven firing order. It rumbles to life with an addictive note, and as you twist the throttle, it responds with punchy torque that builds linearly. No sudden spikes, no hesitation. It's controllable power that invites you to push harder with every ride. On the road, this translates to thrilling mid-range pull, especially out of corners. On the track, it rewards precision and finesse. But what truly elevates the R7 over its naked cousin, the MT07, is how that power is harnessed. With a diamond frame that's been stiffened using an aluminum center brace and variable tensile tubing, the R7 feels more rigid, more planted, and more race-ready. At just 188 kilograms wet, it's the lightest R-Series bike, and you feel it every time you flick it into a turn. Up front, the fully adjustable 41mm KYB inverted forks give the R7 serious credibility. They're not just for show. Preload, rebound, and compression can all be dialed in to suit your riding style. The forged lower triple clamp and gravity cast upper clamp add stiffness, giving you razor-sharp front-end feel. Out back, the linked monoshock offers the same 130mm of travel, keeping things composed on fast sweepers and tight hairpins alike. Braking is handled by dual 298mm front discs with radial mounted calipers, offering impressive bite and modulation. On the rear, a 245mm disc adds extra control. Whether you're scrubbing speed on the street or trail braking into a tight bend on the track, the R7 feels stable and composed. The 120/70 front and 180/55 rear tyres mounted on 17-inch wheels offer a wide contact patch for confident grip and lean angles. What makes the R7 so special is that it's not just a track toy. It's perfectly at home on city streets or twisty back roads. With a fuel consumption of just 4.2 litres per 100 kilometres and a 13-litre tank, it's as practical as it is exhilarating. Visually, the R7 is every bit an R-Series. Its twin-eye face, M-shaped air intake, and central LED projector scream aggression. But there's form in the function. This is the slimmest R-Series frontal profile yet, maximizing aerodynamic efficiency. The deeply sculpted tank and bump stop seat lock you in place, while the clip-on bars and rear sets put you in a tucked-in, attack-ready position. Ergonomically, it strikes a balance. It's more committed than the MT07, but less extreme than the R6. For riders making the jump from casual sport riding to full-on track days, it's the perfect in-between. The R7 is the first CP2 powered Yamaha to feature an assist and slipper clutch, and it's a game changer. It smooths out aggressive downshifts, prevents rear-wheel chatter, and offers a lighter clutch pull for everyday usability. Paired with its constant mesh 6-speed transmission and slick gear changes, the R7 delivers confidence whether you're carving apexes or commuting to work. Priced well below the R6 and leagues cheaper than the R1, the Yamaha R7 offers riders a serious value proposition. You get true supersport DNA, premium hardware and daily usability, all wrapped in one gorgeous, aggressive package. The Yamaha R7 is a rare breed, a supersport that doesn't just cater to racers, but to real riders who live for every corner, every shift, and every mile. It's not about sheer horsepower. It's about connection, feedback, and confidence. For those who want a slice of our world without going over the edge, the R7 is your perfect starting point. Love the R7 or looking for something even sharper? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews every week.